My name is Justus Odhiambo Witi, a JSS teacher in Kisumu County. We want to tell the government that the Employment and Labor Relations Court determined that internship is illegal. Yes. And therefore, the TSC was given 3 conditions. Either to absorb all the interns before August 1st, or negotiate with the interns to reach a compromise deal. And the court determined that internship is illegal. It disturbs the teachers, the JSS teachers, that TSC can produce a circular or release a circular that they were granted stays orders, which is not the case. If TSC was granted the stay orders, why are they appealing the ruling? In the appeal court, TSC has appealed through civil certificate number 44, appealing the ruling. If they were granted the stay orders, why are they appealing? We want to tell TSC and the government, allocate money for confirmation of interns. Interns have served diligently. If TSC will not confirm interns, we are not going back to those schools. The head of institutions are intimidating us. We are living in fear. We are living under pathetic conditions. A graduate who has gone to school, has a degree, is being employed under a stipend of 17,000. A stipend that even a Form 4 leaver without any training is earning. Teachers are tired, and we are telling parents, whatever your kids are getting is a raw deal. We are not lying to you. Thank you so much. We have the unions, we have the KUPPET and the NAT. But NAT and KUPPET are sleeping with our employer and the government at our expense. They are calling TSC for a meeting, after which they come out with huge pockets at the expense of poor teachers. So we have decided to hold the bull by its horns. We will not relent. We will not relent in our fight. Which internship goes for more than 11 months? An internship. How do you train a teacher who has already trained? The role of TSC is to recruit, employ, transfer, discipline. The role of training teachers is left to the colleges and the universities. How do you say that you are a teacher is learning on the job and you have registered that teacher as having met the conditions for employment? We will fight till the end.
My name is Brenda Kihara, and I am a teacher at Masara. Masara is in Kisumu County. And I want to address TSC and the government. We are saying that we are not relenting, we are not going back to class. We are giving TSC 1 week. In fact, this week, confirm and compensate us. We are children of this government. This is where we were born. We are members of this government. We went to school. Our parents struggled with us. You cannot pay us 17,000. We are mothers. We are fathers. There are fathers here. We have children in school. This money is too small. Cannot sustain us. We are not going back to school. We want to tell the parents, you are wasting your time releasing your children to school. We are not going to teach them. And we will not go back. We are seeing Machogu. Machogu is the CS of education dishing out P&P letters. They are giving other people who graduated behind us. You know? And these people are getting good schools. They are going to the national schools to teach. We are in primary school. No meals, no transport, no accommodation. It is this 17,000 that is taking you to school, feeding you back in your house also. I want to tell Macharia, I want also to tell Macharia that she's a mother. She's a mother. And she knows how to take care of her children. Let her also tell us how to take care of our children with 17,000 and our husbands. spend the 17,000. It is CAT to advocate for us as teachers, for the government to absorb us. Now TSC has neglected us. They have disowned us. Where do we go? Where do we go? We go to our homes somewhere. Let the government come out and help us. We are tired and we are not going back to school.
Now, this is Mr. Ochieng John Oyer, a very aggrieved teacher from Kisumu County. To answer you straight away, we are saying here, and this should go straight to the ears of Nancy Macharia, wherever she is. This should go straight away to the ears of our president, wherever he is. This should go to the Minister of Education, who has decided to be the employer of teachers in this country. That we are not going to class anytime soon, as long as we are not told to go and fill P&P letters. And we are not begging, and we are not intimidated, and we are not requesting, because what we are asking for here is what we merit. It is what we deserve. It is not something that that looks like a favor that TS is going to do to us. We went to school for more than 4 or 5 years. Some of us have toiled in BM jobs for over 7 years. We have children. We have mothers and parents. We have families that we are taking care of. We were uprooted from our schools, wherever we were teaching, and we were told that please go and help us implement a curriculum. And we are now realizing that TSC just decided to misuse us, and they think from wherever they are that they can abandon us. We are telling them that instead we have abandoned you. I also want to say this straight away to the eyes of our useless CS of education. He can come for me when he wants. He is shameless. And I don't know what the MPs are still waiting for. I don't know what the MPs of Azimio and UDA are waiting for before they can table an impeachment against that CS. Because how can a CS decide to employ teachers in funerals? How can a CS decide to stoop that low in front of cameras, holding a mic and telling people in his village that he has now promoted them to being teachers, while us, we are painters and sweepers in the streets? We are teaching the same Kenyan children, and by the way, we care about those children. But if the government and the country is not going to care for us, we are going to be here and neglect those children for as long as you want. If you want to bring the axe, bring it. If you want to terminate the contracts of all interns,
My name is Julius Otieno. I want to address the chairman of budget committee. You saw the budget. Kenyans should be very careful with this government. You saw the budget. In the budget, there is allocation for entertainment of the wife of the deputy president. There is allocation for entertainment for the wife of the prime minister. While interns are suffering. Interns are earning 17,000. Now my question is to the president, what happened to the Asla narrative? You told the nation before you were elected that you are going to fight for the Aslas. And right now, you are now undermining the welfare of the Asla nations. The teachers right now, the teachers you are dealing with in this manner are the ones who voted for you. We voted for you expecting that our welfare is going to be good. We voted for you expecting that we are going to get confirmation. I'm talking to the president that let all the interns be confirmed. Let us follow the court orders. Come 2027, we are watching. If this trend continues, we are going to weed out leaders who are not after the welfare of Mwananchi. And to the MPs, our MPs, I don't know what you went to do in that parliament. If you are the people breaking the law, what do you expect of the common Mwananchi? If you are the people dishing out letters, what do you expect of that a man or a woman from a humble background? We are warning the MPs that we shall not vote for you. Never. We shall weed you out if you continue with this narrative. Legislate for us. Let the welfare of the common Mwananchi be the first thing, not your tumbos.